Welcome! Thank you for giving our students the opportunity to do an internship with you at your organization. I am Marc Bruijnzeels, Program Director of the Master Population Health Management. We made this video to help you understand the students' learning goals for their internship and how the internship is embedded in our master's program. We also share information about how this fits into your organization and what you can expect from the students. The main objective of the internship is that the students develop specific competences to become population health management professionals. Specifically, the master program trains students to solve today's and tomorrow's challenges in the healthcare system. Healthcare resources are running out due to, for example, aging population, more complex patients, and therefore higher pressure on the workforce. In close collaboration with the work field, we developed the 6 core competences in this master's program. The 6 competences form the basis of the master and therefore for the internship. Together, these competences create a unique PHM profile. The competences are academic skills. Students need to be able to execute and combine different scientific methodologies in a responsible way in order to improve the health of the population. Data-driven thinking and acting. Population health management is defined by a data-driven approach because populations and subpopulations are better identified through a holistic risk profile. This means students have to be able to gather, analyze, integrate, edit, interpret and report relevant qualitative and quantitative data from the medical and social domain relevant for the various stakeholders. Deliberative governance thinking and acting. Students have to be able to weigh the pros and cons of different levels of governance to support an effective decision-making structure. Eclectic thinking and acting. Students need to be able to approach and analyze healthcare issues from different perspectives and argue and select the best solutions. Transformative skills. Students need to be able to adapt professionally to changing circumstances and to think and act proactively. And finally, population health management expert. It's the core competence in which the various competences come together. Together, these competences make a unique profile for the population health management professional that the student becomes. This internship is part of the second year of the master's program in which students construct their own individual learning journey. We expect them to be proactive and shape their journey. Here they can do an internship in your organization, follow additional courses, or do a combination of both. In preparation for the internship, students choose learning objectives that are linked to your organization's wishes and the master's competences. For example, a student wishing to develop further as a population health management expert can do an internship at a regional collaborative network in which several organizations have to work together on specific population health needs. In addition, students create products during the internship that are of use to you and your organization and show the students' development on the competences. Examples of products that have been made in the past are presentations, a policy recommendation report, a research proposal, a podcast, or a webinar. At the end of their internship, the students will be evaluated by the supervisor of the master based on the learning objectives the students have chosen. In your role as daily supervisor, you are responsible to guide the student through the project. You are not required to assess the student. Of course, students and internship supervisors collaborate in order to find internship activities and products that are most suitable for both the organization and the student. The supervisor from the master will be your first point of contact if you want to discuss anything about the project or the student. For any other questions, you can email us. It's great that you are now part of our network. We look forward to staying in touch with you, and we want to thank you and wish you a pleasant and productive time with our student.